Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an aftermarket nylon strap designed for the SGW300, which I initially planned to install on my W216. However, I recently came across a comment on this channel asking if there are any nylon straps that would fit on an MWD110. So I thought, why not give it a try? First, we will need to take off the resin strap from the MWD110. And then now I install the nylon strap. And as I try to attach it on one side and insert the spring bar, I encounter a small problem. The spring bar jumps out. Let me zoom in to show you the issue. The hole on the MWD110 is slightly further from the edge of the lug, which makes it a bit challenging to install the strap. However, since this strap is made of nylon and leather, I believe we can gently push it to fit. With a bit of patience, I successfully installed it on one side. And now let's tackle the other side. It appears to be in place, but let's double check. Oops, the spring bar jumped out again, and in this case, I will use a spare spring bar. This one's a bit tricky, so please bear with me. And there we go, it finally clicked into place and we're all set now. So the strap is now installed on the MWD110, which actually complements the watch quite nicely. Plus, both have cool olive green color, although it does fit a bit tight. In conclusion, you can indeed use an SGW300 nylon strap on an MWD110, but it may require some patience during installation due to the tight fit. I would also recommend having extra spring bars on hand, just in case one decides to make a quick escape during the process. Thank you for tuning in and watching today's video. We hope you find it helpful. Stay tuned for more content like this and we will see you again soon. Have a great day.